Hey everyone, this is Ali, and this video is the part of the regression testing for all the map. So, first of all, I start from the user name menu, drop down menu. So here there are all options. You can check if one by one each. So here, for example, for set for interfaces, you can see and test. Yeah, everything is working good. Okay. So for basically our main focus is on the well depth alerts. So I filter out those projects which have the well depth alerts, absolute level alert, low level alert, and short term long term. Okay, update map, there are 12 projects which have these alerts. So I start from the set water well depth demo 2. So expand all, and these are the well depth alerts. So you click on it, it will go and fetch the data and build the chart and display on the right panel. So you click on it, here you can see that the detailed chart is opening successfully. Sensor depth, pump depth, static water level, dynamic values, all the values are displaying. So you can test it by using the another well depth type alert. Okay, so okay, everything is working well for set water well depth demo 2. So now it's time to test some other project like field equipment simulation. You click on it, it will open the project model for that project and display all the alerts. You can expand, collapse, everything is working correct. Select entire date range, expand all. You can change the date range, the timeline is changing accordingly. Print container, everything is working correct. So for low level alert, yeah, the chart building for well depth low level alert is accurately. So it builds the chart. You can click on the dynamic and static lines. It will open the detailed detail SVG for that chart. Like you can see the static water level, dynamic water level, sensor depth, pump depth. So you can click some other points. Okay, your P alert, it has the values. You can click on it. It will also give you the detailed information. There is no error and no exception against it. So your low usage trend alert, it will go and fetch the set water usage data. Here you can see that everything is working correct. Okay, so now we will go and open the Chida. Expand all, click on no user alert. It will go and fetch all the usage data and build the chart against SN20255. For well depth, you can click on long term static level, drop alert, low level alert. So the detail chart view is opening when you click on the dynamic and static. So it will show you the dynamic and static information on it, sensor and pump depth. So everything is working good. Okay, for low level alert, you can click on it. It will show you the low level alert chart. It will show you the dynamic and static values. You can click out any point and it will give you the detail value for dynamic static. All other charts like the chlorine turbidity are also working. Low operational cost recovery, low banking compliance, no data available for that. they have the main office. You can click on it, it will go and fetch the data, project states, and open the project model. Expand all, flags are working perfect. You can click on expand all, no usage alert. It will go and fetch the usage data against the SN262 264. So here for low level alert, everything is working perfect. For email, yeah, everything is working. For Rainwave, everything is working. And some other alert type, it will go and fetch, it's working. Okay, so we can test it. So this is some other project for well depth, which have the well depth alerts, so we can test it. You can click expand all, no user alert, low RP. So there is our low RP alert, so we can test it. Everything is working. For low RP, it is an active set. You can click, so it will open the expanded detail chart. For long term static level drop alert, for all absolute, there are the same chart. So here everything is working, everything is working perfect. You can test some other kind of alerts, no data available for it. Yeah, Kachama, so we can test it. Low usage alert, you can click on it, it will expand all the it will fetch all the data against SN246. So for absolute low level alert, you can see that the static and dynamic information, everything is working perfect. So it's time for another project. So this is ST Cecilia Girls Country. You can expand all, no user alert. It will go and fetch the information against SN247 and display the chart. Everything is working good. Absolute level alert. You can see that there is no dynamic dang here. That's why you cannot see, because all the dynamic values are less than 0 or undefined or null. That's why you cannot see the dynamic lines for that chart. But we update in current sprint, we update the logic for that, and when we push the latest changes, then you can see the latest changes. So everything is working perfect. For local or inlet, for the water system distribution point, you can see everything is working. For Kanavo, everything is working good. For absolute alert, everything is working good. So all the alerts for absolute level alert, low level alert, short term static level drop alert for all the projects is working perfect. The data fetching and the chart building, there is no exception, no error against it. So actually the purpose of this video is when we push the some hotfix on the production, then we after pushing that, we test, we make a video which has the regression, which is the part of regression testing. So actually we push some of the changes related to the multi organization filter. So I will show you. Previously when you combine when you filter out two organization data and click on the update mat, then it will not add the marker for those projects. And when you click second time on the update map, it will it is working. So I will show you. For example, I filter out the order projects. What is that? red cross. There is no project against it. For automation, so it will go and fetch all the projects. There is zero projects. I think I will check some of the projects. So this is the order project UNIS. Oh, sorry, reload cache. Actually, we before I'm working locally. That's why it has the data, because I test staging, production, and locally all the links. So that's why maybe the cache data is not fetching accurately. Here you can see previously there is 140, 181, and now 188. So you can click on it, it will go and filter out the other projects, and you can click on American Red Cross, it will go and fetch. So here this is the way, this is the fix which is actually we push on the production. So after that there is a need for regression testing, that's why we do that. So you can click anything, it will be working. So this is the way of doing the regression testing. So if you have any feedback, any question, kindly update me. Thank you.